Today we're using the eufyMake E1 and a laser cutter to create a custom World Cup soccer jersey out of acrylic, but we're testing two different print styles to see which one looks best. We're starting this project by swapping out the mini bed on the eufyMake E1 for the standard bed. That gives us enough room to fit this 12 by 16-inch sheet of 1/4-inch acrylic. Once that's locked in place, we can jump into eufyMake Studio and set up the first version of this project. And for this one, we're going to test two ways to make the final print really stand out. As always, we're going to start by clicking the snapshot button so eufyMake Studio can give us an updated view of our acrylic on the bed. While that loads, we'll go ahead and import our design. For this project, we're celebrating the World Cup by creating a custom soccer jersey print. We want this jersey to fill up as much of the acrylic as possible, so we'll resize it and position it right where we want it. For this first version, we're printing directly on top of clear acrylic. Now, we are using clear acrylic today, but if you have matte white acrylic, we've learned that CMYK ink sticks really well to that surface. So with white acrylic, you can save a lot of ink and time by skipping the white base layers and printing directly with CMYK. With that being said, let's take a look at the settings. We'll select acrylic as our material, then set the print quality to high. Next, when we click on the jersey, we can take a closer look at the ink mode. And because we selected acrylic as the material, eufyMake Studio has already applied the proper white ink layers and CMYK layers for this type of print. So at this point, all that's left to do is click Print. Here we can see this version is going to take about 1 hour and 20 minutes and use around 6.6 milliliters of ink. Let's hit Start and see how it turns out. While that first print is running, we're going to set up our second version. And with just two simple changes, we can get a completely different look from the same design. For this version, we want the jersey to show through the acrylic instead of sitting on the front surface. So the first thing we need to do is mirror the design horizontally. That way, once the print is finished and we flip the acrylic around, the jersey will face the correct direction. Then the second change is the ink mode. Instead of printing white first and then CMYK, we're going to switch it to CMYK, then white. And that's it. Same design, same acrylic, but now we get a totally different finished look. Since we're using the same number of layers, the print time and ink usage stay about the same. The order is just reversed. To step this design up, we're bringing the acrylic over to the laser cutter. This is why we love pairing the eufyMake E1 with a laser. The E1 gives us the full color print, and the laser lets us cut it into a fully custom shape. So instead of leaving this as a basic rectangle, we can cut perfectly around the jersey design. And once it's done, we're left with a clean, custom-shaped World Cup soccer jersey that looks way more finished. First up, we have the version printed directly on top of the acrylic. This is a great option, especially if you're using white acrylic, wood, or any material where you want the print right on the front surface. It can also save ink and time, since you may not need as many white ink layers depending on the material. And if you're using one of the texture print modes, this is usually the best way to really show off that raised detail on the front of the project. The second look lets the design show through the acrylic instead of sitting on the front surface. This gives the front a super clean, glossy finish with a little extra depth and reflection from the clear acrylic. We usually prefer this method when working with clear acrylic because the printed side is protected on the back. That makes the front much easier to wipe down and keep clean without worrying about touching the ink directly. Both versions look great, but they each give the project a totally different feel. So let us know in the comments, which style do you prefer? Printed on top or printed through the acrylic? And start your comment with the word football so we know you watched all the way to the end. Thank you so much for watching and stay creative.